Namaste friends, can you see how many needles I have in my body? Since last few days or maybe few weeks we have not been going out. I had quite a bit of pain in my shoulder, in my back as well. So I've been going through some treatment at a physiotherapy. We are planning to go to Pyramid Valley today, which we have been thinking about for quite some time now. It's a very beautiful place, that's what I've heard. So let's see. Once the treatment is done, I'll go. Today we are at Pyramid International Valley. We have just reached the center and this is the parking. They have quite big parking space. So this place is famous for, they have made the biggest meditation center in the form of a pyramid. So that is very beautiful. Let's go and check this out, how the place is. It looks quite beautiful. It's very green over here. They have made various buildings I saw. So this center they have specifically designed for meditation, spirituality, something yoga related as well. They have some yoga courses. That's what I saw outside. So it looks beautiful. I just went inside the pyramid. It's very calm and peaceful inside for sure. And in the center of it, they have King's Chamber, which is the center point. And considering the most of the energy of the pyramid actually exists at the center part of it. So in the center of it, they have made King's Chamber, where you can go up and like 3-story up and sit there and meditate, because that's the most powerful place in the complete pyramid. So it is also considered, I read, that a sharp blade will be more sharper for longer time inside a pyramid, and it will become more sharper as well when it is inside the pyramid. So the energy inside a pyramid is very strong, and that's the reason they have made this meditation center in the form of a pyramid building. And this is the biggest pyramid building in the world for meditation. Yeah. As per the concept, all the structure which are made in a pyramid shape at a specific angle of 51 degree, then at the center of them the cosmic energy can be felt better. So that's why they have even put a plant over here, which is at the exact center of this pyramid. And in the pyramid which is inside also, there is a King's Chamber which they have made at the center of it. So it's actually quite interesting, and it's very calm and peaceful inside. So very good place to meditate in case if you want to. go eat something if they have something?
Yeah, they have a cafeteria here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they have. Actually, there are two types. They'll provide free food. We have to take a token from here.
Okay.
Token will be given until 1:30.
Okay.
So if you get the token, you can go there. There's a prasadana. You can have a food, or else you can have it at cafeteria.
At cafeteria.
Yes.
That we can get
But
anytime,
no,
right?
You have to pay it and get anything.
Okay, thank you. I'm at the cafeteria in this Pyramid Valley. Actually, the food is delicious. I ordered three things. One is paneer butter masala, Maggi, and corn sandwich. And actually, all three of them taste quite good. Paneer butter masala is actually quite nice. Very good food. I had wonderful lunch just now. Paneer butter masala, roti, Maggi, and sandwich. It was quite a lot. It's very relaxing to be here. We have been here already almost 5 hours, sitting in the garden, sitting in the pyramid, doing just relaxing. It's very calm over here. Very nice campus. So I read about it that why they have made to be a pyramid structure is because when uh, when a building is made like in a pyramidal shape with a 51-degree angle, then the cosmic energy is maximum in that shape in the center, and that's why they have made this meditation oval hall over here, and probably is one of the biggest pyramid in India, and definitely for pyramid for meditation is the biggest in the world. So it's a very nice campus and very relaxing, very calm. They even do have some yoga programs here. They in case if somebody is interested, they can do yoga course over here as well. Very nice cafeteria, very nice campus, beautiful, very relaxing. Thank you so much for watching.